So in today's video, we are going to discuss how to buy Bitcoin from Binance. If you haven't created a Binance account yet, you can use my referral code or you can use the link. Then you will get a trading bonus. Also, it will help my channel also. And if you are a complete beginner and if someone told you go and invest in crypto, please don't do that. Do your own research first, then only you can you have to invest in crypto because it's highly volatile. So it's a good investment, but you have to be cautious. I mean, you have to study it first. You have to know what the crypto is, and then you can buy it. So let's get into the video. So let's buy Bitcoin on Binance. Well, there are many platforms you can buy Bitcoin from, but currently the best platform is Binance. Actually, it's the easiest platform too. So first, if you haven't any funds added to your account, you have to add funds. Let's add funds. You can buy with USDT or P2P trading, deposit crypto. I guess you are buying with USD. But actually that means card, so you can simply connect here, pay with card, then you can enter any amount. So let's enter about 50. There are minimum amount, I guess it's 15 USD. Yes, yeah, it's 50. So let's put 50. Then there will be a fee of about $2, and then preview border. Then you can see there will be a confirmation. Agree to that, put the tick here and just confirm. And once you added the funds to your Binance account, it will be shown here in total balance, also in the wallets. It will be going to your funding wallet. Actually, I had USDT, so I didn't bought any. It will be shown here in by USD amount, USDT amount. So you can simply put it into the spot wallet. Let's put transfer and then funding to spot wallet USDT. Then if you have bought any 50, let's say 50 USDT, just type 50 and then just confirm, and that's it, transfer successful. Then it will be shown in your spot wallet. Then I briefly explain what is spot wallet. Spot wallet means simply it's the like the current account. We can buy any crypto with the spot wallet, not from the funding wallet. So that's it. So then we have to go to the trade. Then there are a few options: convert, spot, margin, bots, copy, buy, P2P. So if we buy like spot trading, do spot trading, then there will be a little fee. Let's see, estimated fees like about very minimum fee, but if you are converting directly, you won't get any fees. So let's choose Bitcoin here. All right, then I have 52 USDT in my bank, my spot account, and it will be shown like that. And you can see there are no fees. Then just trade, that's it. Also, other method to buy Bitcoin with USDT is the spot. You can simply choose the pair BTC USDT, this one. Simply select that pair, then you can add any amount, or just simply type the USDT amount you have to convert, and then you can select the price in which you need to buy it. Like it's like a buy order. So we have to, let's say in $67,000, then just add it, and we have to put the USDT amount through this, or just type it, then buy BTC. That's it. I'm assuming you are a complete beginner, so a quick tip: please don't buy in like these, what you call, in peaks. Try to accumulate if you are trying to make a portfolio. This is not financial advice, just for entertainment. You can buy from like these and like this. Never buy from the peaks. So that's it. Like I said, if you haven't created any Binance account, you can use my referral code. Then we both get discounts for our spot tradings and future tradings, and it will help my channel also. So if you got any questions, just ask in the comment section. And again, if you are a complete beginner, please don't put your life savings to this crypto. Just learn first, then do it. Otherwise, if someone tell like internet guru or something like buy Bitcoin right now, please don't buy it right now. Before you studies, I mean, you have to study the market and what is Bitcoin first, then you can invest. So this is not any financial advice. Please do your own research and buy. Good luck with your investment. Have a nice day. Also, if you got any value from this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.